Hello, welcome to another video. Just a quick one on StpIndex. So we are looking at synthetic indices. Okay, so straight to the video. We are doing a top-down analysis to see our bias, and then we go down to see where we can possibly take our entries on this asset. So today is 8th of October 2023. All right, so straight to the video. All right, so what we can see on this asset right here is that the asset has been bearish, right? When we put a trend line here, market has been bearish. Price has been moving to the downside, giving us these lower highs. Okay, lower highs. Yeah, you couldn't quite get into the trend line, but at least we have two touches that makes it very valid. Okay, so enough of that. We now want to concentrate more on recent price action, which is down here, where we have market giving us this nice support area. Okay, this nice support area, which price came to hit on the monthly time frame, and we are seeing some bullish action. Okay, we are seeing some bullish action pushing price to the upside, pushing price to the upside. Oh, come on, pushing price to the upside. All right, so we are short-term bullish on this asset because of the fact that we are in a downtrend on a higher time frame. Okay, we are on a downtrend. We see the series of, this is a high, lower high, lower low. This is a high, a low, a lower high, lower low, and a lower high, lower low, lower high, and then equal lows right here. So are you going to see a reversal right to the upside? You don't know as at yet until this high gets taken. Okay, and price is able to break above this high right here, then we know that we are no longer bearish but bullish on this asset. Okay, so let's go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see our zone, which price has respected very well and is pushing to the upside. We need to also take note of this area of support which got broken, which price has not tested on the weekly. Okay, so I'm expecting some buys into that zone and then possible reversal to the downside to break the lows for us to have that downtrend continuation long term on that asset. Okay, so going down to the daily, or before that, even look at this weekly time frame. We are still bearish. Market is still giving us that bearish move where we have a low, a high, a higher low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, and then a lower low. So price is bringing us back into this area to form a lower high, retesting this area of support which has been broken as resistance. Then we see that's a continuation to the downside. On the daily, what we see is price has respected the zone from the bottom. Okay, as we indicated earlier from the monthly time frame. Okay, and we need to also take notice of this area of resistance right here. It was previously support which got broken, tested as resistance once, twice, and on the third one we are having market break out of that. So what I expect to see is for market to really retrace into this area at this point. Okay, this area at this point, because right at that point we could see that market was what, ranging. Market was in a range, in a sideways range. Market was ranging before it broke out of the range, and price is what, retracing back down into the area. So I expect price to return the buys from here into the zone right here before we get the sells. Okay, that is on our daily time frame. So going down to our 4-hour zone is right at this spot where we are expecting price to retrace into. And if you want to find a confluence, we can use our Fibonacci to draw from the bottom to the top, and we can see that the area is in confluence with the 61.8 retracement level, which is the golden zone, which is an added confluence for us to take our buys from that zone upon confirmation. All right, so at the moment StpIndex is short time bullish. We are going to push up from here into this area of support which got broken to be tested as resistance for more sales to happen on this asset. Okay, so thank you so much for your attention. Hope to see you very soon. So you can wait for these buys. Hope to see you very soon. You can wait for these buys. Once price gets here, you get some candlestick rejections, bullish pin bar, or you have an indecision candle, and then the bullish engulfing pattern. You can take your buys from here to the upside. Going down to the 1 hour, you can see that if you want to join the counter trade sales, we can join from here, this area which got broken, right? It got broken, we can join from here, put our stop loss right at the top, and our take profit right here. So I'm going to join this sell right here. I'm going to set my pending order. Okay, let me see. It seems I already have that. Okay, I have my pending orders. I've added one more, and my take profit, my stop loss is right at the top, which is $11 profit, stop loss, which I expect price not to really hit, but in case it hits, that's fine. I'm cool with that. So I'm expecting the sales into this area right here before we get the buys. All right, so on the 30 minutes we are having exactly the same spot right at the zone here. So we can adjust the zone to here and wait for price to retrace there before we take our buys, and then expect our sales, into this zone at this area right here, 61.8 fib level. Okay, so thank you so much for your attention. I intend to make this video very short for us. In case you want to join my free community, just check the link below and click and join us on Telegram. All right, God bless you. Bye bye.